Monster High. Come on, don't be shy. Monster High, where students run the Monster High.